Science Lesson 34.
Thanks for joining us today for our science lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello! Great. Let's do our meditation. Think about our heart center. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in your lap. And close your eyes. Feel for that boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap when you feel it. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your mind on your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes, and let's begin. In this lesson, we're going to review the different types of soil that we learned about with our PowerPoint, and then we're also going to set up our bottles with the dirt that we collected, or the soil that we collected in our last lesson, and we're going to set up a little experiment so that we're able to look and see what is in our soil. So first, we're just going to review with our PowerPoint. We're going to talk about the soil types that we learned in our last lesson, starting with our biggest, teeny tiny piece of soil. Yeah, so when we look at that soil in our hands, some of it is heavy. Sometimes we can see the little pieces. Sometimes we can't see the pieces and it just looks like all one color. Just looks like all one color. So our first kind of soil is our biggest kind. It's called sand. Sand. It's our biggest one. Sand. And when we look, if we were to pick up some of that sand and look at that sand, it's small, but we can still see those tiny little rocks. We can see those with our eyes. Our medium, tiny size of soil is called silt. Silt. And if we were to pick up a scoop of that silt and look at it, no, they're small, they're small. We can't see all the tiny pieces. Yeah, we can't see it. It just looks brown. Yeah, we can't. Oh, we need a microscope to look into it. Yeah, you're right. They're small. We can't see the little pieces like we can for sand. And our teeny tiny smallest piece we call clay. Clay. Yeah, clay, silt, sand. That's right. That's right. When we look at clay, can we see the tiny different little rocks in there? No, it just looks like mud. It's so tiny, we can't see it unless we had like a microscope, like Pang Pon said, and was trying to look at it. They're so small. Yeah. So clay is something that we can use to make different kinds of pots. It can be different kinds of colors. Like, what are some of the colors you see? Red, a little bit of black right here, some orange, maybe some brown. Yeah. So clay can be all different kinds of colors. So let's think about our 3 types of soil. Our 3 types of soil. Let's start with clay. All right, let's start with clay. Is clay our smallest or our biggest?
Small.
It's our smallest. Very nice.
C.
Can you help me spell?
C. L. A.
Y. Clay.
Set.
Teeny tiny. Teeny tiny. When we pick up clay and look at clay, can we see the little pieces? What do you think? Can we see the pieces? No, it just looks like one color, like smooth and brown. Silt. Good job, good job. Silt is still very small. Still very small. Close, you're close. Silt. L, and then our T. Very nice. Everybody practice that word. Silt. Silt. Good. Let's do each sound. S. O. T. Good job. All together. Silt. Very nice. So we have clay, silt. What's missing? Sand. Can you help me spell? S. A. Sand. N. D. Let's do all 4 sounds. D. Very nice. Great job. And sand is a little bit bigger. So we have clay is our smallest. Silt is a little bit bigger. So we go all the way over to sand, which is our biggest. So clay, small, silt, a little bigger, sand, a little bigger. But everything's still very small. So I'm going to show you my bag of dirt. This is one that some friends helped me get. So take a look at this dirt. Oop. And can you see some tiny rocks in that dirt? Yeah. Some of those we can see teeny tiny rocks. Can you see different colors in that dirt? Yeah, do you see different colors? Yeah, I see different colors. I see different size rocks.
White, black, and brown.
Brown, yeah. Over here, I can't see the tiny pieces. I can't see those tiny pieces. Do you think that might be some clay over here where we can't see the tiny pieces? It could be. It could be. We might have some sand over where we can see the little bigger pieces. So we've got all different kinds of dirt or soil in this bag. Can you see the different pieces here? No, they're too small, right? Yeah, over here we can see the different size pieces. Yeah, some sand. Oh, yeah, do you see all the different sizes there?
I see clay.
You see some clay in the bottom, maybe. I think you're right. So we're going to take a look at our soil in just a minute. But before we do that, when we have clay, silt, and sand all together, when we have all those three things together, we have a special word for that. We have a special word for that. So take a look over on our computer. We have a special word for that kind of soil, and we call it loam. It rhymes with home. Loam, home. They kind of have the same sound at the end. So loam is when we have clay, silt, and sand. We have all three together. So do you think I have loam in this bag? Yeah, we probably have loam in this bag because we have some big pieces of sand that we can see. Some pieces that are so small we can't see the separate pieces. That might be some clay or maybe some silt down here at the bottom. See where we can't really see the separate pieces? Yeah.
I can't see.
So we can't see those teeny tiny pieces. They're so small.
What?
Got some white. So small. So we probably have some loam in this bag. Some loam in this bag. Be careful with it. Yeah, this part is very small. We can't see those individual pieces. So when we have all three kinds of soil, all of these three kinds of soil, we call it loam. Can you help me spell? L-O-A-M. Very nice. Loam, you're right. Okay, so that's the end of our PowerPoint. We're going to take a little stretch break. So everybody stand up. Stand up nice and tall. Let's stretch our arms up high. Stretch all your fingers out. Go up on your toes, get tall. Put your arms in a T. And touch your nose. Touch your toes. Come up halfway so your arms are heavy and swing them around. Ooh. You can make monkey sounds if you like. Very nice. All right, stand up straight and tall. Let's do 3 little claps. Do 3 little jumps. Let's take 3 little steps. Let's do 3 little spins. Good. And let's do 3 big claps. 3 big jumps. 3 big steps. 3 big spins. 3 big spins. Woo! Okay. Okay, we're going to do a little practice. We're going to practice pretending that we are clay, silt, and sand. So pretend you are clay. You are so tiny, we can't see you. You're so tiny. You're so tiny, we can't see you. Get tiny, get tiny. Get tiny. Okay, you're silt. You're a little bit bigger than clay. You're a little bit bigger than clay. You're right in the middle. You're right in the middle. Okay, now you're a bunch of sand. You're a bunch of sand. Get as big as you can. You're the biggest one. You're sand. You're sand. Good job. You're sand. Okay, get a little bit smaller. You're back to silt. You're back to silt in the middle. You're back to silt in the middle. Okay, you're even smaller. Now you're clay. You're the tiniest as you can get. But you're quiet clay. You're quiet clay because dirt doesn't talk. You're quiet clay. Okay, you're silt. You're in the middle. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Now you're sand. The biggest one. You're the biggest one. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, you're clay. You're tiny, you're clay. Get small, get small, get small. Okay, you're silt, you're in the middle. You're in the middle. You're the middle size. You're a little bit bigger than clay. A little bit bigger. Okay, now you're sand. You're the biggest one. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, friends, take a seat. So we are going to set up our experiment to see all the different kinds of soil that are in our bags of soil that we collected in our last lesson. And I just reminded all my friends that they really need to look, they really need to listen, and also to be quiet so they can see what's going on, because everyone in each team is going to be making one of these, and everybody has to work together, but you also have to watch and listen quietly so you know what to do, okay? So I'm going to have a few friends help me with this one, a few quiet friends, and then we are going to have each team make their own bottle, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is take our bag of dirt, and I have some scratch paper here, something that we used before that we don't need anymore. I'm going to fold it up like this. Okay, I'm going to fold it up like this.
Ice cream.
Yeah, so it looks like an ice cream cone. I'm going to fold it up like this. And a little piece of tape. I'm going to take a little piece of tape. You're right. You're right. So I'm going to make sure that my ice cream cone can fit in here. Not too small. I still probably want to have a big space, maybe like the size of 5 baht in the middle, just so it can get into my water bottle. Okay. Just so it can get on in there. And when you're doing this with your group, you probably have one friend to hold it, one friend to hold the bag, and another friend to put some in the bag for you, okay? So be really careful when you're doing it. Okay. Shh. Make sure you know what you're doing. Pot, can you come help me? You're nice and quiet. You're nice and quiet. Uh-oh, my funnel is not working. Okay, take the bag of dirt. Careful, it's open. So you're gonna help us with the bag of dirt. Can you pour some dirt into our funnel here? Put some dirt in here. Put some dirt in there. Yeah, right in here. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay? You can pour it, but don't pour the whole bag, just a little bit. Yep, there we go. Okay, that's good. You can stop right there. Stop, 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 stop. Okay? I'm going to shake my funnel a little bit so all that dirt goes in. Thank you, Pot. Okay. Okay, Pak Boon, can you come help me? Can you come help me a little bit? So I'm going to get all my dirt in here. Thank you. Yes, you can sit down. Thank you, friend. So all my dirt in here. You are probably going to have to shake your funnel. Shake your funnel. Yep. Just 1 minute. Let me finish this. If you find things like sticks that are too big, or if you find big rocks that are too big, like this, you can just put them onto your desk. We don't need those in our funnel. Okay? So I'm going to add a little more tape. So all those rocks that Pak Boong is taking out, those are probably too big for us. So if you see these size rocks in your bag of dirt, you're going to take them out. Okay? So I'll fix our funnel. Here we go. Pick up that bag. Pick up that bag, pour a little bit in. You can do a little more. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I'm going to shake my funnel, get all my dirt in there. If I have rocks or sticks or things like that, I'm going to shake it out. Okay? Kang Pon, can you come help me? I've got some big rocks in the bottom, so I'm going to take those out. So pick up the bag of dirt. Rocks, you can get them out of there. And then let's pour some more dirt in here. Pour some more dirt in for me. Okay, that's good. That's good. Stop, stop, stop. That's good. Okay, good job. So I'm going to do this again and again and again until I've got all my dirt in the bottle. Okay? Does everybody know what to do? You think you know what to do? Okay. All right. We'll stop this one for now. We're going to pass out our bottles and everybody's going to start pouring their dirt in their bottle. Okay? One for you. One for you. Okay, friends, you're going to take turns. You're going to take turns. So the first thing you're going to do is what our team in the middle has done, and this team has done, and now this team's done. You're going to take the bottle off your cap. Here's a funnel for you. Here's a funnel for you. We're going to work together. You're going to take turns. And everybody's going to help put the dirt. Everybody's going to help put the dirt. Nope, this one's the middle team. Here's this one. Is that one yours? And this one, pot none here, and okay, so be careful because we have a hole in this bag. You've got a hole in this bag, so you're gonna have to be careful. We've got a hole. So just be careful. And you're gonna help pour in the bag. So everybody fill up your water bottles. You might wanna do some handfuls first. Okay, yep, if you find big rocks, take them out. Okay, if you need more tape for your bag, if you have a hole in your bag, good job, you got it. There we go, good teamwork. Good teamwork. So maybe let's do it like this.Maybe if you want to just try to pour it like that. There you go. Okay, all right, we'll stop right there.
Oh my God,
Yeah, so good work. Get all that dirt in there. Good job, okay. So let's stop there. Girls, it's okay. And then you're gonna shake that paper. Oh, you guys made it a little too small. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, yeah, because remember, you don't want to tape it that small. So you need the dirt to be able to get out. Okay, that's still going to be too small. Okay. Here you go. Did you add more tape? Closes up, so don't squeeze it. Just hold it. There we go. Okay. Just hold it. Yep. Okay, hold on. Be really careful. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. Okay, here we go. There we go. So don't squeeze it. Good job, guys. Yep, so now shake it, shake it. Give it some taps. There you go. How are you doing? You doing good? Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's shake it. There you go. Good job. Give it a little tap, tap, tap. Shake it up. Make sure, hold on, your hands. Make sure it's still in there. Good, okay. Give everybody a turn to pour some in. Give everybody a turn. Okay, guys, you can't squeeze it at the bottom or it gets too small. Let me show you. You can't squeeze it at the bottom. Okay, hold on, hold on. You can't squeeze it at the bottom because it's getting too small. So don't change the tape from where I put the tape because it's going to get too small. Okay, hold on. Don't change the tape. You need it to be a little bit big at the bottom so your dirt can go in. That's why you're having trouble. Okay, pour it in.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay, good, good, good. Now fill that up. Don't squeeze, just tap it around. There you go. Friends, it's okay, everybody's gonna okay, don't squeeze it, because see, if you squeeze it, the dirt can't go through. Dirt can't go through. If you're squeezing it, it can't go through. So pour that dirt. Got it? Okay, here. Okay, guys, don't squeeze your paper. Okay, don't squeeze it. That's what's happening on this team. It's too tight. Don't squeeze it. Okay, don't squeeze. Okay, here you go. So hold it like this. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. Just like that. There you go. Don't squeeze it. That's good. Don't. There you go. Okay. Okay, so hold on. We still need a bigger hole at the bottom. We need a hole. Okay, just a sec. Okay, here's some more for you guys. You want to pour it?
Yeah.
All right, this one's too big. Okay. All right, okay, that's good. Shake it out. I'm going to bring you some more. Here you go, friends. Here, I'm going to bring you some more. Pour some more. Okay, that's good. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Got it? Okay, is it blocked? It might be blocked again.
It's broke.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Big rock. Okay, have you got big rocks? Okay, to the middle, let's see. Got it to the middle, okay. Here's a little bit more. So just do a little bit, help them out. Oh, hold on. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, if you are finished, friends, go get a broom. Go get a broom and sweep up. Go get a broom. Broom, broom. Sweep, sweep, sweep. We need to clean off the desk. So we spent about the last 20 minutes or so filling up our bottles with dirt. Everybody hold up your bottle high. Show your bottles. So we've got our bottles filled up. Can I borrow your bottle? We've got our bottles filled up with all different kinds of dirt, about halfway because we used really big bottles. So we're going to take our bottle. Here you go. Every team is going to get a piece of tape like this. And you're going to put your tape on your bottle this way. Okay? So you're going to put it like this, not like this. You're going to put it like this so that next lesson we can use it to look at all the different things that are in our soil. Okay? So here you go. Down, you can put it for your team. Need, you can put it for your team. Well, not everyone is going to do it. There'll be different jobs for other people. Okay, so pot, you can put it for your team. Put your tape. So put your tape vertical like this. In our next lesson, we're going to use that to measure all of our different soils. Okay? Finished? Very nice. Okay, very nice. Next, we're going to add a little bit of soap. A little bit of soap. So we're going to do this one at a time. Pak Boong, hold the bottle. Open it up. 2, take the soap. Okay, get ready. And you're just going to do a little bit. I'm going to tell you when to stop. Shh. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, good job. Okay.
No.
Okay. So pour a little bit in. Nadia needs a jog. So you're gonna pour a little bit in. We're gonna add some water next. That's okay. We're gonna add some water. Okay, perfect. Last team, Pangpon, add some soap for us. He hasn't done a job yet. He hasn't done a job yet. So just a little bit. Okay, that's definitely not a little bit. Please. Okay, next we're gonna add some water. Next we're gonna add some water. I'm gonna help you. Next we're gonna add some water. So give that a shake. Give that a shake. Mix up all the dirt. I know. I know. Mix up all the dirt. Make sure your lid is on really tight. Then you're gonna mix it all up. You want all your dirt to move around. So we need some more water for this one. So all your dirt to move around. You want all your dirt to move around. So pour a little more water in there. Can you do it? Can you do it carefully? Think you can do it? Careful, careful. Let's do more.
Finish.
Okay, start shaking it up. Okay, here we go, friends. Okay, start shaking it up. Make sure everybody gets a turn to shake it up. We got all our water? Okay. We're gonna do a little more water. We're gonna do a little more water. Yep, thank you. Okay, you wanna pour some? Do you wanna pour it? Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay, careful. There we go. Pour. There you go. So you're gonna keep adding water. You're gonna keep shaking it up. Okay, that's probably good. That's probably good. Get your blue lid. Get your blue lid. Okay, open up. I know. It's okay. Ooh. So we might have a problem with the team that put too much soap. We might have a problem with that team. Yeah, well this team has a lot of soap because somebody put too much soap. So theirs might not work. So you want, shh, friends, quiet down. Shh. You want all your dirt. Shake it down so that all your dirt mixes in with the water, okay? So yours is kind of stuck. So you gotta move it all around. Move it around. Get all that dirt mixed up, okay? Make sure everybody gets a turn. Okay, do you wanna pour some water?
Yeah.
Go slow. Okay, use that one. Shake it up. Did you get all yours mixed up? Uh-oh. Oh, my. Oh, be very careful, friends. Yeah. Okay, you need to be very, very careful. Okay. So mix it up a little bit. Yours has a lot of soap, so we need to be careful with that one. Do it like this. Do it like this. Do it like this. You got all your dirt mixed up? All right, it's all mixed up. Okie doke. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, we've got some more. We got some more. Yep. Be careful. Yours has a lot of soap. Yours has a lot of soap. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. Please take your hands off. Thank you. Yep. Well, this one's got a lot of soap, so it's going to be tricky. That's why you just add a little bit of soap. Just add a little bit of soap. Otherwise, we have too much soap. We've got too much soap in this one. It's okay. This one has a little too much soap. Little too much soap in this one. I know, it's okay. We need to get rid of some of the soap because our friend added too much soap. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
Hold on.
And
And we're gonna turn it, so you wanna make sure all your water is getting in there like that. So make sure all your water is mixing into your dirt. You're probably gonna have to turn it a few times. You want all that water to mix in with that dirt. Okay, so you want all that to mix together. So just try to turn it like this a few times. Don't shake it because you have a lot of soap, okay? Okay, got them all mixed up. Keep your lid on. Keep your lid on, very nice. Okay, in our next lesson, we're gonna use these to look at all of that different kind of soil. Can I borrow your bottle?
Yeah.
So in our next lesson, once all of this settles down, we're gonna see the different kinds of soil that are in our soil separates after we leave it for a day. We're gonna be able to look and we're gonna see our different clay, different silt, and different sand. We're gonna see all different kinds of layers from the soil. It's gonna separate. So we're gonna leave these off to the side for a day. And then when we have our next science lesson about soil, we're gonna look at them and we're gonna see all those different layers. Thanks for joining us today on our science lesson. We'll see you for our next lesson where we check our experiments. Can everyone say goodbye?
Goodbye.